Hello friends, welcome back to another video. As you can see, this is a video regarding the ZV-1 camera. I'm gonna do another tutorial on this because I think on the first one I go a bit too fast and I don't explain much of the details and the reasoning why. But as you can see, this camera has 3 different ports. Each port has a different function, so I'm going to connect it to the middle one, my USB cable, and then I'm going to go to setup number 3, and then USB connection. I'm going to press on that one, and I'm going to make sure it's on mass storage. And then I'm going to go to USB power supply, and I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to show you what happens if you leave it on, but just let's keep on watching this. I'm going to connect my USB cable to my PC. As you can see, it says USB mode, mass storage, and then so on the other video it shows that it automatically uploads it to your computer, but on this one, since I've already connected it so many times, it doesn't do that. So I'm gonna click on USB drive, and then I'm gonna go to private, and then I'm gonna click on that file. It doesn't have anything, so let me go back, and I'm gonna put on the M4 root, and right here where it says clip, this is where my videos are. For each file, it has 2 different files, but I'm going to show you if you click on the correct one, which should be MP4. That should be the clip, and the other one is just like a code, but I don't know what that is for. So if you guys know what it's for, then comment down below, because I don't know. So as you can see, it has like 2 different ones. One is the MP4 file, and the other one is the XML file. So make sure you always click on the MP4 file. You can do a right click and then drag it to your desired file. So I dragged it to my pictures, and I saved it in that specific folder. And as you can see, my video is right here. Sometimes it's just like random things because I don't know like what to record or what to show, but I just wanted to show you guys. So on this part of the video, I'm going to be showing you what happens if you leave your USB power supply on. I'm going to show you what happens. Let me connect it to the middle port again. And as you can see, it says mass storage. And then if I try to click in there, it doesn't let me open any of the folders because it's basically charging the camera. So it won't show me like, all the content that I have in there. So that's why it is very important for you to turn off the power supply on your USB cable. Very important. As you can see, I'm just going to disconnect it here. Let me show you guys what happens. Okay, I'm going to turn it off, and then I'm going to turn it back on, and I'm going to disconnect the USB too, that way you can see I turned it off already. I'm going to connect my USB cable again, and as you can see, after I did all those steps, if I go to my DCM or my M4 root, you're going to be able to see my videos here. Like I told you, there's 2 different files for each of your videos or photos, make sure you always click the MP4. Okay, so I'm done with that. I hope this helped clear more like questions if you guys had any, and if why it didn't work. So now I'm going to show you how to do it with your memory card, how to transfer your files, your photos. Make sure your memory card is unlocked. So it has like a little switch on the side of your memory card. I didn't show it here, but I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Make sure it's unlocked, and then you just place it inside your PC. Okay, now my phone's really out of focus right here. Like, I was not recording. I didn't realize this, but basically it's the same thing. You just go to your DCIM, and then you click on your photos if it shows it this way. But if it shows it the other way, you know, just the file name and stuff like that, it's basically the same thing. You can always drag your photos, your videos, drag them, right click onto your pictures or any other folder that you want to upload it to. This is what I was telling you. So it has the 2 files for each video or each photo. So you're just gonna want to drag that MP4 file, because if you use the other one, it just shows you a bunch of codes, and I don't know what that is or what you can use that for. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope this cleared up many questions from the first video that I made last time. So that's funny because I made this video the same time I made the other one, but I decided to upload the other one. But I think it was a bit confusing, so I hope this helped you guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. So it shouldn't take that long, but it really depends on the length of your video and the size of your file. Well, thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Enjoy your day. Bye.